Spelling mistakes are a big problem for IELTS and PTE test takers, as it can affect your writing, reading, and listening sections of your exam. How to improve spelling mistakes is a big question. The only solution to this problem is practice, practice, and practice. Hello everyone, this is Amardeep Kaur. Welcome to your favorite learning channel, Truestone English Guru. And today's video is all about it. In today's video, I'm going to tell you all the words which are usually misspelled by IELTS and PTE students. Yes, today's video is going to be a jackpot video for all of you, as you are going to get all the words which are usually misspelled by the students. So get your notebook and pen in your hand. I'll be telling the words, note down, practice with me, and definitely it is going to help you out. After this video, you will have a lot of words which usually students misspell in their exam. But you are not going to misspell because you have practiced with me. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste your time and let's begin with today's video. The first word is absorption. The spelling is ABSORPTION. Absorption. Next word is ascetic. ASCETIC. Next word is appropriate. APPROPRIATE. Next is advertisement. Spellings are ADVERTISEMENT. Advertisement. Next is Arctic. ARCTIC. Next is Atlantic. 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 Next is Antarctic. Spellings are ANTARCTIC. Antarctic. See here, C is silent. So ANTARCTIC. Next is amateur. 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 Next is analysis. 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 Next is access. ACCESS. Access, that means allowed. You're not allowed to do it. You have no access with it. Access. Next is alcohol. Sharab. Alcohol. 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 Next is accident. 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 Next is autumn. Autumn season. Autumn. 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 Here N is silent. Next is abundant. Abundant. Abundant means बहुत ज़्यादा, enough. ABUNDANT. Abundant. Next is bouquet. Guldasta, bouquet of flowers. Bouquet. The spellings are BOUQUET. Bouquet. Next is barrier. 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 Next is balloon. 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 Next is brilliant. 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 Next is ceremony. 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 Next is calmly. 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 Here L is silent. Calmly. Next is canvas. CANVASS. Canvas. Next is calendar. 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 Next is certain. 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 Next is coffee. COFFE. Next word is chew. chew का मतलब चबाना. CHEW. chew. Next is curable. 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 Next is compulsory. COMPULSORY. Compulsory, that means zaruri. Next is cough. Khansi. COUGH. COUGH. Next is catalog. CATALOGUE. Catalog. Next word is committee. 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 Next is commission. 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 Next is dictionary. 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 Next is deceive. DECEIVE. Deceive, that means किसी ने धोखा देना. Deceive. Next is defendant. 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 Next is disease. Bimari. DISEASE. Disease. Next word is discipline. 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 Next is diamond. 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 Next is dispensary. 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 Next word is descendant. 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 Next word is desperate. 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 Next is director. DIRECTOR. Next is develop. 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 Next word is exclaim. 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 Next word is entrance. ENTRANCE. CE, entrance. Next word is electricity. ELECTRICITY, electricity. Next word is embarrassed. EMBARRASSED, embarrassed. Next is elementary. ELEMENTARY, elementary. Next is fever. FEVER, fever. Next is fashion. FASHION, fashion. Next word is furniture. FURNITURE, furniture. Next is fiber. FIBRE. It's not FIBER, it's FIBRE, fiber. Next is geometry. GEOMETRY, geometry. Next word is geography. GEOGRAPHY, geography, subject. Next is guard. GUARD, here R is silent. Next is gorgeous. GORGEOUS, gorgeous. Next is galloping. GALLOPING, galloping. Next is grateful. Grateful की स्पेलिंग बच्चे बहुत गलत लिखते हैं. So it's not GREATFUL. It's GRATEFUL, grateful. Next is handicraft. HANDICRAFT, handicraft. Next is humor. HUMOUR. Next is hygiene. HYGIENE, hygiene. Next is hindrance. HINDRANCE. Next is hammer. HAMMER, hammer. Next is hurried. HURRIED, hurried. Next is hasten. HASTEN. Next, ingenious. INGENUOUS. Next, irresistible. IRRESISTABLE, irresistible. Next is influential. INFLUENTIAL, influential. Next is increment. INCREMENT. Next, illiterate. ILLITERATE, illiterate. Next, illegible. ILLIEGIBLE. Next, journey. JOURNEY, journey. Next is jealous. JEALOUS, jealous. Next is jackal. JACKAL, jackal. Next, kerosene. KEROSENE, kerosene. Next, language. LANGUAGE, language. Next, library. LIBRARY, Rary, library. Next, license as a noun. Licence, license. Then, laboratory. Laboratory, laboratory. Next is lieutenant. The spelling is Lieutenant. Lieutenant. Next is livelihood. 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 Next, luster. Lustre. Next, loss. Loss. Next, mischief. 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 Next, marvelous. 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 Next is magistrate. 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 Next word, merchant. 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 Next, mustache. 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 Then, millionaire. 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 Next, maintenance. 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 Next, modeled. 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 Next, modern. 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 It's not modern. You spell it modern. बच्चे ज़्यादातर इन्हें modern बोलते हैं, so they write modern. The spelling is modern. It's modern. Next is neighbor. 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 Next, nasal. 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 Then, noticeable. 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 Next word is nuisance. 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 Next is ninth. Ninth grade. So the spellings are NINTH. Then 90. NINETY. 90. So when you write ninth, E is not there, it's NINTH. But when you write 90, it's NINETY. 90. Next, niece. 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 Next word, necessity. 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 Next word, occasion. 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 Next word, offered. 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 Thank you for watching this video. So today you have learned a lot of words and I hope you are not going to misspell them anymore. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends and family. Keep learning, keep practicing and keep subscribing your only English learning channel, Truestone English Guru.